A cell is the smallest unit of life and the basic building block of all living organisms. It carries out the essential functions needed for survival, such as growth, energy production, reproduction, and responding to the environment. Cells can be unicellular or multicellular, and they vary in structure and function depending on the organism. Cells are crucial because they serve as the basic unit of life in all living organisms, carry out essential functions like metabolism, energy production, and reproduction, are responsible for growth and repair of tissues and organs, and store and transmit genetic information needed for inheritance and evolution. There are two types of cells: prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are simpler, smaller cells that do not have a nucleus or other membrane-bound organelles. Their genetic material is found in a region called the nucleoid. Examples include bacteria and archaea. They are often the earliest form of life on Earth and can survive in a variety of environments. Eukaryotic cells are more complex, larger, and contain a nucleus that houses their genetic material. They also have membrane-bound organelles that perform specific functions. Examples include plant cells, animal cells, fungi, and protists. Eukaryotic cells are the building blocks of multicellular organisms and are capable of carrying out more specialized and complex processes. Cells contain specialized structures called organelles, each performing specific functions essential for the cell's survival. The nucleus is spherical or oval and stores the cell's genetic material and controls the activities of the cell, such as growth, reproduction, and metabolism. Mitochondria are oval or bean-shaped with a double membrane and are the powerhouses of the cell, converting food into energy through cellular respiration. Ribosomes are small, round particles responsible for protein synthesis, translating genetic information into proteins. The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of tubular membranes. Rough ER with ribosomes is involved in protein synthesis and modification, while smooth ER without ribosomes synthesizes lipids and detoxifies harmful substances. The Golgi apparatus consists of stacks of membrane-bound sacs that modify, sort, and package proteins and lipids for transport. Lysosomes are small, spherical, membrane-bound sacs that contain enzymes to break down waste materials, foreign particles, and cellular debris. Vacuoles are large, membrane-bound sacs, especially prominent in plant cells, that store water, nutrients, and waste products. In plant cells, they help maintain turgor pressure. The cytoskeleton is a network of protein filaments that provide structural support to the cell, helps it maintain its shape, and is involved in cell movement and division. Chloroplasts, found in plant cells, are oval with a double membrane and contain chlorophyll to perform photosynthesis, converting sunlight into energy for the plant. Plant and animal cells are both eukaryotic, but they differ in structure and function. Plant cells have a rigid cell wall made of cellulose, which gives the cell structure and support, while animal cells lack a cell wall and only have a flexible cell membrane. Plant cells contain chloroplasts, allowing them to perform photosynthesis, while animal cells do not have chloroplasts. Plant cells typically have a large central vacuole that stores water and helps maintain cell pressure, while animal cells have smaller vacuoles related to storage of nutrients and waste. Plant cells are usually rectangular or box-like in shape due to the rigid cell wall, while animal cells have a more irregular, round, or varied shape.